Okay, today it's February 5th, 2023 on a Sunday. As you can see, the car it's on. Okay, now ever since I took delivery of this car on April 14th, 2022, I got nothing but problems. Problems where? Problems with the audio. Okay, the car is on and I'm turning the volume up. There's no audio. Okay, now I'm gonna change source. I'm on FM radio, right? I'm gonna change source. I'm gonna go to XM radio. Okay, XM radio is playing, no audio. Okay, now I'm gonna go from XM radio. I'm gonna go to Bluetooth. Okay, there's Bluetooth right there. There's the line right there from the sun that is playing. Okay, now check this out. Now I'm gonna go to the blinkers. I'm gonna turn the blinkers on. You see the blinkers, but you don't hear no noise. That clicking noise, it's not there. Okay, now I'm gonna turn the other side on. Okay, same thing. The blinker works, but no clicking noise. Okay, now I'm gonna show you something else. I'm gonna go to the hazard lights. Hazard lights are on. Okay, but there's no clicking noise. Okay, so what that tells you? That tells you that anything that is connected to the radio that has to do with the audio, it goes out as well. So no audio in this car ever since I took delivery of the car back on April 14th, 2022. And this happened, it's happening more often than none. Actually, it happened yesterday, Saturday, February 4th, and it happened today again on Sunday, the 5th February 2023. I just wanted to show you that.